Assalamu alaikum, dear 6th class students. Let us continue our lesson vocation. We are writing the answers of the questions. Add to the list your own complaints about the things you have to do or must not do. यानी अस लिख रात अकिस बच्चस क्या पज कर क्या न पज कर वो वन तुम लिखियो से क्या पजी कर पानस क्या पजी Answer: I must take a bath regularly. Mes paz daily sran karun. I must not disobey my parents. Me paz न pannis malis maj naframani karan ke. I must get up early in the morning. Me paz subh vatun. I must not disturb others. Men se paz न baki disturb karan ke. I must learn lessons. Me se paz sabak yaad karun. I must not trick my homework. Me paz न काम चूर बनन के. I must do my homework regularly. Me paz पन काम दोहै दोहै करें. I must waste time. I must not waste time and money. Men se pazन न पोंस तो वक्त जाय करन के. I must stay in school full time. Me paz पूरे दो स्कूलस मज रोजन. I must not watch TV for long time. Men se paz न ज़्यादा वक्तस TV वुचुन के. Like the child in the poem, it can bach nazme maz. You perhaps have your own wishes. Itna temis keh khashi se te asne keh khash. For yourself panne khatir. Talk to your friend using I wish I were. ژٕ وَن پَنٕنۍ یِم خٲہِش پنٛنِس دوستَس اِستعمال کر آی وِش بہٕ چھُس یَژھان آی وَیر بہٕ ہسا گوٚژھُس آسُن آنسر آی وِش آی وَیر اے بٲرڈ to fly across the sky. अगर बह आसा जानवर बह नचा आसमान मस. I wish I were millionaire. Millionaire to buy anything. अगर बह आसा वारियाह पोंस वोल बह हेका केंह ते हेथ. I wish I were a great leader. बह छुस यछान बह गोछुस आसुन अख बोड़ बार leader. I wish I were a teacher taking children to task. अगर बासा उस्ताद बासा शिरन lion. Find out different kinds of work. मुख्तलिफ कामी छानिए done by the people यम लोग करा in your neighborhood तहज हमसायगी मस. The people in our neighborhood do the following kinds of work. Plumber, sweeper, mason, physician, watchman, washerman, coolie, mechanic, singer, etc. Thank you.